Today we are back with another video. Today we are bringing the courses from one of the famous company, which is IBM, which is providing its courses for free. Yes, you have listened right. IBM is providing its courses for free. Upon completion of the courses, you will earn a certification and badge officially from the IBM itself. So let's get started. The link will be provided in the description. Please click on the link and enroll as follows. So first you have to log in here by clicking the link on the description. If you don't have any account, you can create an account by sign up for Google. If you already have an account, you can log in here. Click on register now and click on name. Which country are you from? Select your country name. Select are you a student or teacher or other. So select the college name. If you are in high school, select this as high school, or if you are from college or university or further, you can specify here as other. Mention it as social media and click on I agree to terms of use. I agree to data privacy policy. If you want to receive reminders and notifications from the IBM, you can click here on checkbox. If you don't want to receive any reminders, you can leave it as is. So you click on register. Now we have to sign in. So please select your preferred language, whether it is English or Dutch or Spanish or any other language. I am selecting it as English. Click on next and select on your areas of interest. I am selecting as blockchain, cloud computing, cyber security, data science, IoT, programming, quantum computing and agile. You can select how many preferences as you want. So if you want to receive updates and reminders, you can click on the checkbox and you can click on continue. You can click on done. You can click on skip tutorial. Here you can see the badges. IBM AI Foundation badge. So you can click on badges. You can click on learning plan. So after completing these 5 modules, there will be an assessment, and after completing this assessment, you will receive a completion certificate and a badge officially from the IBM itself. You can click here, go to this activity. you can complete here one by one, and after completing all this you need to attend an final assessment as mentioned before. So after completing the online assessment successfully, you will receive IBM Skills Build AI Foundation badge from the IBM itself. Like this, you can enroll in cloud also. If you want to learn more about cloud, you can enroll in this. There are many badges and certifications. You can enroll in as many courses as you want. So if you want also if you want courses, you can click on the link that is provided in the description. So here you can see here the data visualization with Python. It is provided by Cognitive Class, which is an IBM platform, and data analysis with an Python, and Python for data science, and data science open hands tools with open source tools, and mathematical optimization for business problem, which will be provided by Big Data University, and create a cognitive banking chatbot, which is provided by the Developer Works, and how to build chatbots, which will be provided by IBM. So these are the platforms of IBM, and IBM is collaborated with other platforms to provide courses. So after completing these courses, you will get a certification and badges from the IBM. So you can enroll in as many courses as you want. I am showing one course and how to enroll. So if you want to enroll in Python for data science, you can click here, go to class. You can see here the 5 modules and course summary and final exam and course survey, and after completing this course you will get a certification and a badge from IBM itself. So that's all for now, guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. So we will be posting a lot of updates regarding courses and certification and various job updates. To keep stay updated, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.